Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P30 and I'll show you how to change the date and time. So I'll start by opening up settings and then go all the way down into system. And from here you will see date and time. So you can tap on it and you can choose for it to be 24-hour or 12-hour, like so. And not sure if you can see behind that sticker, but it basically changes. Then you can also set it to be automatic. So it basically will automatically find the time zone that you're in and set the time accordingly. And if, for instance, it doesn't work, doesn't show the correct time, you can turn that off and set it yourself, as you can see, and then tap on OK once you're satisfied with how it's set. And you can also change the time zone right here, and each one shows you what time zone it is in. So for me it's going to be one that I guess I don't see. Oh, they're not alphabetically, so I'm looking for +2, like this. So that would be my time zone. And yeah, so that's how you change it, or you can just enable it and it will automatically set it anyway, most likely to the correct time and date. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.